Sanitary yo gusira borokiwa gukora biya ase amasomabo nigo ekyombe kemo kimanyikanite na Treshold of Hope Africa akiabage gutarera eskuru y'oboroso ya Kyamabundu nabo igoge komu ekichonsi kigotoka ase bunge ya Nyaribari chemeye county ya Kisii na kubwatoka obokonyi bw'ebintu au na ebitamba byobochenu chikaramu egati yebinde binge nigetambukiro kyabage kogokerwa na borokiwa ase eskuru yo awasibaganya serikali goswagati na kwene kyabuna nkuru bari gusira gocyase kiskuru muri Kaito Frida Kerubo na sayo na gutwariganira roboti rwa Sanitary ya bene. Ekyombe gya Treshold of Hope Africa nigo gyatarira eskuru y'oboroso ya Kyamabundu nabo igoge komu eliokorwa obokonyi bakoragwa no CEO Stin Kakemto nigo ara abanyakyombe bande asebaina na obokonyi bw'ebitamba byobochenu chikaramu nabo igo chitishu.
We work on eradicating stigma that is associated with mental illness, and we mentor young girls, I mean very young adolescents who cannot be able to speak for themselves. So we chose this school because we'd been here previously and we noted the gap, and then we decided to come and mentor our girls so that we can end teen pregnancies.
This day that we have received visitors from Treshold of Hope Africa. They have come to see the girl child and the boy child, but they have spoken to the girls. The girls now they can feel belonging in the society.
Nigo boigo basemia abanyaruka kwerenda chingaki cy'amatukabo y'umutinyi aseba igo barwa obosemia gwetanga na mangana yokorusia obomoyo.
We are here today to talk to the girl child and the boy child, and through the mentors that have been here today, we've been able to mentor them. And we have the girls have assured us that they will be doing great in classwork and in even other sectors.
Being a wedding period property, and we chose Kyamabundu Primary School because it's a one-team school, and that's why we're here today. We want to mentor our young girls, we raise them in a way that they feel they belong to the society. We want to raise these girls that they don't miss classes, they don't miss lessons. We want to build a generation that where girls are inclusive, a generation where a girl child can stand in talk, a generation where a girl child can lead, not only the boy child. That's why we're here as Treshold of Hope Africa to give hope to these young girls, to build them and to nurture them for their tomorrow. Thank you.
A very good program to engaging young boys, which you can call adolescents. As they are joining the journey of life, they should know the hacks that they should be using, whatever they should be using in life so that they can make it.
Aborokia ni gobago kera omorobelio yo na kwiraniria mbia monogochia ase ekyombe gya Treshold ase okobatarira nabo igokorwa obasemia gochia ase aborokigwa.
The should also come up through their CEO Kemunto to give out, to assure the girl child that there is tomorrow for them. We are very much grateful
to Akere Uyamana as a Treshold of Hope Africa. Aso goche skuru ya iki. Uyamana aso gokinyora. Twasumbo kira matuka amanda. Twabakere Uyamana aso watoreta chitishu pepe, chikaramu, amone bitamba byobochenu asa abana baitu babaiseki.
Furaha kwa sababu mmeletea watoto zawadi mbalimbali. Wa hiki kikundi ambacho ni Treshold of Hope Africa.
Nigo bono baganirie serikali ya county kurobokonyi ase chiskuru echichibwate obolemero nabo igo baganirie ebyombe gotarira chiskuru ekyo nabo igo koba obokonyi.
Furaha sana kwa kufika hapa shuleni mwetu. Nawahimiza muendelee kuja na ikiwezekana kama kuna vikundi vingine mbalimbali navyo vinaweza kutembelea hapa shuleni ili tusaidia watoto. Naomba wahisani mbalimbali wafike shuleni mwetu ili waweze kusaidia. Vile vile tungemuomba mheshimiwa wetu wa county His Excellency Simbarati na county mzima nao waweze kutembelea hapa ili watusaidie ili tuweze kuendelea.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.